Don't know how to use Cricut Infusible Ink sheets? No worries, just follow along. Step 1. Make sure your design is ready on Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Once your design is good to go, click on the Make It button in the top right corner. Step 3. If you're prompted to select your choice to load materials, select the On Matte option and then click on the Confirm button. Step 4. Turn on the mirror option. Note, you must mirror your design before cutting, otherwise, your design will appear in reverse when transferred. Step 5. Click on Continue in the bottom right corner. Step 6. On the Make screen, select Browser All Materials to select your material. Step 7. Search for Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet in the search bar and select it. Step 8. Once you've selected your material, click on the Done button. Step 9. Insert the fine point blade into the Cricut machine. Step 10. Load the Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet onto the green Standard Grip cutting mat and load it into your machine. Note, place the Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet shiny side down on the mat with the colored ink side facing up as shown in the image. Step 11. Press the Load button on your Cricut machine to load the mat. Step 12. Press the flashing Go button to begin the cutting process. Step 13. Once cutting is done, unload your mat by pressing the same Load button. Step 14. After unloading the mat, peel the cutting mat away from the Infusible Ink sheet and read the design carefully. Step 15. Place your design on your t-shirt. Step 16. Use your Cricut press to transfer your design onto the t-shirt. If you're new to using the Cricut press on shirts, be sure to check out our step-by-step video tutorial. The link is provided in the description below.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, you can subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manny Maker or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't addressed your issue yet, please let us know in the comment section.